You are going to love the 2022 Suburban. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather trim seats, wireless charging station, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, front, center, audio radio, touchscreen display.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.